There's nothing more you can do. I'm not leaving without you, Master.
Another happy landing.
I sense nuke.
I sense crap.
I sense destroyers.
I sense crap.
Drop your weapon. I said drop them. Roger.
Another happy landing.
Did you press the stop button?
No, did you?
Press the stop button? No. Did you? Press the stop button?
No, did you?
No.
Well, there's more than one way out of here.
Oh, it's you.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
Did you press the stop button?
No, did you?
No.
Did I say it? He's trying.
I didn't say it.
I sense Count Dooku.
I sense
Chancellor Palpatine.
Get help, you're no match for him. He's a Sith Lord.
Sith Lords, this are our speciality.
Another happy landing. I sense Qui-Gon.
I sense
Peace, freedom, justice, and security. Did you press the stop button?
You did well, Anakin.
Now we must leave before more sand people arrive. Anakin, there's no time.
He seems to be all right.
Kill him, or we'll never make it.
All right.
I shouldn't. It's not the Jedi way.
Hello there.
Oh, it's you.
Activate elevator 324 34 2334 2344 23234.
Another happy landing.
R2, shut down the elevator.
Too late, jump! Let's see if we can find something in the hang of it. That's still in the hang of it.
General, we found the Jedi. They're in hallway 328.
I sense ray shields.
I sense we're smarter than this.
I sense patience.
I sense
R2.
I sense R2, too.
Anakin Skywalker. I was expecting someone with your reputation to be a little... Oh!
General Grievous. You're shorter than I...
Jedi Skies.
you have a job to do, Anakin. Try not to upset him.
Well, under the circumstances, I'd say the ability to strap yourselves in is irrelevant. Strap yourselves in. I sense we lost something.
5,000. 5,000 ships on the left and the right. Did you press the stop button?
No, did you?
No.
Are you coming, Master?
Oh no, I'm not smart enough for politics. Besides, someone needs to be the busboy. Let us not forget, Anakin, that you rescued me from the bus, and you killed Count Dooku, and you killed the Chancellor carrying me unconscious on your back, and you killed me carrying Count Dooku on your back.
Oh, Anakin.
I've missed you.
Obi Wan.
Anakin, don't say things like that.
We grant you the rank of Wookiee.
Another happy landing. Hello there.
Oh, it's you.
Your move. So uncivilized.
Come away with me.
Don't you see? We don't have to run away anymore. I have powerful Republic Chancellor Jedi powers. I am more powerful than R2. I can overthrow you to protect you. And together you and I can rule the seas.
Another happy landing. Wait a minute. How did this happen? We're smarter than this.
And he was a good friend.